Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So today we are going to learn on the third and last loci of in 3-dimension. We call that as the locus of points equidistant from two fixed points. Okay, given that there's a 2 points, let's say it's a point A and then the another one, we can label it as point B. Okay, next, when we want to construct this 3 dimensions locus from two fixed points, the concept's actually similar with when we want to draw or construct locus from two fixed points in 2 dimension. Just that in 2 dimension, we only focus on the 2 axes, which is vertical and horizontal. As I mentioned earlier, in order for 3 dimension, we have another extra axis which is pointed out of the paper. So first, let's construct perpendicular bisector for a 2D first. We'll see how it goes. Next, draw arcs point A as the center first, top, and then the bottom one here. So next, we repeat it the same and make point B as the center. We draw arc here and then another arc here. So we can label these 2 intersections as point C and point D. Okay, and then we can just join these 2 points together. Okay, so we can say this locus is the locus for perpendicular bisector for these 2 fixed points. That is for 2 dimension. Okay, and point M here is the midpoint of point A and point B here. This is the midpoint. So it's meaning that the distance from point A to point M is equal with the distance from point M to point B. Okay, now we have to consider the 3D one. We have to consider the axis out of the paper. So when we want to draw the locus, that is considering axis out of paper, meaning that the axis here we need to draw the perpendicular bisector also. Okay, so let's say the intersection will be at point E. So we can, yes, and then the intersection will be another point F here. Okay, so now you have these 2 lines intersect at point F and another one intersect at point E. So E and F. Okay, so if we join all the points together, you will get a plane, a 3D plane. So we can say that this plane is actually locus of points equidistant from 2 fixed points, which is point A and point B is the plane, which is this one, goes through the midpoint here and perpendicular to point A and point B. So that is how we draw or construct locus of points equidistant from 2 fixed points in 3 dimension.